Hello friends, good evening. My name is Vaishnavi and today we'll discuss the editorial page of Hindu paper. And today's topic is Venus in focus. International collaboration can help probe to dense atmosphere of Earth's neighbor. So Venus is the neighbor of Earth. So international collaboration means joining together can help probe to dense atmosphere of Earth's neighborhood. So Venus, the hottest planet in the solar system, has now enjoyed as a much recent attention as Mars, as far as space missions are concerned. So Venus, it is the hottest planet in the solar system. It has joined as much recent attention as Mars. So it has joined as recent attention as Mars as far as space missions are concerned. So as far as space missions are concerned, the Venus it has recently enjoyed as much recent attention of Mars, with surface temperatures of above 460 degrees Celsius that can melt even a metal like lead and heavy atmosphere of carbon. It have the temperature of 460 degrees Celsius. So with that temperature it can even melt the metals like lead and heavy atmosphere of carbon. The planet was considered hostile to life. So it was considered as hostile to the life. This despite its image similar to the size of Earth and rocky. So it has this despite means the despite has the despite its image similar to the size of Earth and rocky. So much so that it is called as Earth's sister planet. So because of that, some similar features in the same size, it was called as Earth's sister planet. There was some excitement. The European Space Agency mission Venus Express found of ozone made the 3 oxygen atoms and considered as a marker in the upper atmosphere of Venus in 2011. So there was a excitement in the European Space Agency mission. So there was a excitement in the Europe Space Agency mission Venus Express. So it was a Venus Express found of ozone. It was a found of ozone made the 3 oxygen atoms and considered the marker in the upper atmosphere of Venus in 2011. But the recent discovery of trace of phosphine, another biomarker is in its atmosphere, has just given the search of extraterrestrial life a shot in the arm. So but in the recent discovery traces of phosphine, so in the recent discovery they have found they had traces of phosphine. Another biomark is its atmosphere. So another biomark for that is its atmosphere has just given a search of extraterrestrial life and shot in arm. So it has given there was a clue. It has given the search of extraterrestrial life. So there was a little bit life present on it. Phosphine, a compound of one phosphorus atom and their hydrogen atoms, and given out by some microbes during biochemical process. So phosphine, it is a compound of one phosphorus atom and 3 hydrogen atoms. So it was made of one phosphorus atom and 3 hydrogen atoms is given out by some microbes during biochemical process. So it was given by some microbes during biochemical process. In an atom, in an atmosphere rich, so in an atmosphere rich is carbon dioxide, it is likely to get destroyed soon. So in the atmosphere the rich compound is carbon dioxide, so in soon it is likely to get destroyed soon. However, the researchers estimate that phosphine forms about 20 parts per billion of Venus atmosphere. So in the research they estimated that phosphine can form about 20 parts per billion. So it can form 20 parts per billion of Venus. In the Venus atmosphere it can form 20 per part. This fact, when added to the hostile conditions on its surface yield translation possibilities of phosphine survival through extraordinary chemicals and the stubborn triumph of biology and life. So it may exist on some different means like if we have a different atmosphere, means in some different atmospheres some new things we can find. So in that Venus we can find the phosphide. This finding was the result of years of careful study by the team of international astronomers led by the Jane S. Greaves of Cardiff University Astronomy. Professor Greaves first identified phosphine in Venus atmosphere in 2007 using the James Maxwell telescope in the Hawaii. In the year of 2017, one of the professor found phosphine in the Venus with the help of James Maxwell's telescope in Hawaii. In Hawaii he has found that in Venus phosphide was present. Further study and present observations using the Atacama large millimeters by sub-millimeters array facility in Chile confirmed the suspicious of the research in 2019. So it was found finally, it was present in the Venus, it was found finally in the 2019. So it was finalized in the year of 2019. This can now only be taken further by making in situ measurements in the atmosphere of Venus. So this can now take place. It can be taken to the future by making in situ measurements in the atmosphere of Venus. So now we'll discuss some of the meanings from today's topic. Abridge, shorten, cut or lessen. Example, the book was abridged from children. So the book was cut, means it was shortened from the children, for the children. It was shortened for children. Extraterrestrial, from outside the earth or its atmosphere. Scientists have found no credible evidence of extraterrestrial visitors. Stubborn. Stubborn means like headstrong. Do not listen to other words. Means they will be on their words only. They will not listen to others. Array. Array means assembling or array. A type of arrangement. Example, there was a splendid array, like display, like to give a arrangement to something of food on the table. So they arranged some food on the table. Contempt, feeling that a person of thing is worthless or disrespect. Wading means attract or walk with effort through water or to pedal. Invoke means call on in prayer or city or appeal to. Prominent means most important or famous or well known. Anguish means like pain or distress. Integrity means like probity or honest. Quality of being honest. Next, layman means non-expert or non-professional. Conster, interpret in a particular way or to read. Alacrity means eagerness or willingness. So these are today's meanings. Thank you.